Yes, 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 yes. Yes, nation people. From when you know the voice, you know a 10-star in the building. I know no lollipop thing. But here me I say right about now. Me see Mr. Vegas forward all. Same as sniff pan Alkaline Jockstrap because him want defend Alkaline. Doing video, snorting, cocaine and them shit there. You see what I say? And him want to justify that and glorify that. First thing I gotta say to Jockstrap sniffing Vegas. Yo, you think Killer coulda do that? You think Bunty coulda do a video like that and you know run out and laba your mouth like what you always do? This guy is an artist or this guy is an internet prostitute? Which one? Me don't know. This guy act like him is a living and certified and solidified shishki bag. You see what I say? Now give me thing in my game, you know. So alright, watch this now. So what more watch what I go on carefully, you know. So watch you know, you know. So Alkaline can't drop no music for it or dominate the play certain way. Like oh you see, the whole of the young artists them are damage the ground. You see what I say? Because here we are going. It best if him did go chop the line like the man them. You see what I say? It best if him did go chop the line like the man them. You see what I say? Or him go a St. Mary, go look for Ann Punsi and Mr. Sammy. You see what I say? With the Guzuma business. You see me? I bet him did go do that, my brother. But for see him, I've cut up things on table and line it up properly and use him vacuum nose and drop all of it and claim say, well then, it a hit him now so him mellow out and them shit there. Let me tell you something, my brother. You see that what you do, my brother? Eh? We're not going to upset that in a dance hall, you hear that? The last time you come with a certain type of wash and it look like say, from that, I know you still not learn. You know what I mean? Because watch this now. Yes, when you snort off all of that off of the table, eh? You should have did go up on a building and jump off. You see what I say? And show the people them how magnificent them thing they energize you and make you feel since I saw you want to go on. Because skanks say pop Molly and get the whole place bloody. The people them see skank a jump in a pool and a mash up guitar up on stage and them shit there. You know what I mean? Me not know if a them thing there I get to you or whatever, you know. You see what I say? Make you come out, you forward out, you know, and feel like saying that this way you do, you know, is a good thing, you know. And have Jockstrap sniffing Vegas and running mud like him a your defender, you know. Vegas, what happened to you? Use a panty shield? Eh? Eh? You think no more artists could have do that and you know run your blood clot mouth? But all because my sister, yeah, look some young youth for each up on and a long time from last year we see I've been sniffing on Alkaline Jockstrap. Everything you run a call out him name and all know him no book you for new rules. Me no know what, me no know, I'm not getting a collaboration neither. You see what I say? Because guess why? You do them thing there. Actually you know them youth there and killer they ever good. You see what I say? So every chance you get, you're running for laba your mouth. You are one of the worst video you ever see I go on in a dance hall. Look how dance hall I go on nice. Look how much you boss the World Cup forward. And not on all the and not even crime you hear about to all the whole vibes nice at Jamaica. Where you come with this blood clot table of drugs and snorting business board. Like you think so you can distract the fun and the vibes of what go on in the country. What the bumbo clot do you look a boy? Eh? What your name? Let me ask you what your name. Are you named Tony Montana? aka Scarface Tony. Eh? Because after him sniff the blood clot jugs, you know, him kill him best friend, you know, and like him want slap off him own sister punani, you know. And that you want the boy Alkaline? Eh? Me no know, ask me, ask you, you know. Because them seen there you dep on, you know. And the Jockstrap sniffing fan boy them where you have on the internet, you know. I run and I keynote them teeth and I act like the best thing them hear since sliced bread are the best thing them see. No other artist couldn't do that, you know. And boy, no make 6, 7, 10 blood clot video upon the artist them name, you know, my brother. Let me tell you something. You see that blood clot sniffing thing there, my brother? Eh? It's best if your blood clot delete it, you know. Because you don't hear nothing yet, you know. You see me? You can't blood clot, manipulate the blood clot. You could use them who feel like so well then. Them look up to artists on certain levels and them shit there and have them a watch here, you know. I do them fuck there, you know, boy. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing na the inner my game, you know. No lollipop thing na the inner head. Or is it? You hear bang bang say a crocodile teeth and everything get fucked when him rich. You see what I say? Me no know. If I hear 375,000 copy gone and a 125 left for blood clot gold. Me no know if I them thing down the ear, you know. Me coulda go like on a blood clot clown right about now, you know. When him did have the chance for say well then as the most impressive young sensation in a dance hall forward up. No, him go like him a blood clot, the dance hall martial arts. Him control it. Him want show off and him want hype and blood clot the people them who put him which part him bumbo clot there. I didn't hear him talk about the formula. Now me I wonder if the formula done or it fucking not working or it expire. You see what I say? Because him not sing like how him used to sing. Him used to sing the verse them in him song where that connect with the people them. Him lose all of the formula there. The way how the man sound, it's like he's a total different artist. What do you hear him come out and claim say him a put some pressure upon the government and I big up the youth them and I act like say poor people him a defend. You see what I say? Now all of a sudden this pussy hole I show poor people say a blood clot drugs them for take. A man for laugh about blood clot that. Eh? If ghetto youth can ever feed him blood clot self properly. Tell me which part him for blood clot get money for buy blood clot drugs from and the way old the lifestyle where you are trying to show him and them thing. They will move on from them shit a long time, my brother. From 80s, 90s, all of them shit they move on, my brother. Nobody no want to be in a blood clot crackhead or in a cokehead, my brother. People want to have things and live blood clot certain luxurious lifestyle, my brother. Nobody not into that way there, you know. You see what I say? You take blood clot skilliving style and pattern are the most reaction that you ever get on a blood clot song from around 2 years now. And when you use the man style and pattern, these little Jockstrap sniffing fanboy you talk about, you troll the man. Troll your mama bumper ass clot. You use the man blood clot style and you get some reaction on it and them swear things say, well then, yeah. That make no fucking difference. It water down, my brother. You see me? It water down. It's nothing like what Skilly are doing a dance hall, my brother. It's nothing like what Skilly are doing a dance hall. You know what I mean? And Jockstrap sniffing Vegas. Go talk to Cargo, my brother. Cargo deal with the thing properly. You know what I mean? Cargo stepping on your face, brawling. Him never hide, my brother. You see what I say? And you forgot answer Cargo, but through you know say Cargo a blood clot, giant killer. And you're afraid because you can't go up with Cargo, you know, my brother. You can't bring no farmer bumbo clot clashing thing to Cargo, you know. You're not dead, you know. You see what I say? Yeah, the man make you know, my brother. The man make you know that, you know. Say you sing the song name Baidu, you know. And she bother cock you up and screw you, you know. For true, you know. And then you want to run and put blood clot chat against killer. You know want to answer cargo. Use nothing more than a little shish kebab Vegas. Make me tell you something. I know you do something to the channel, my channel from the last time. I do a video about you, you know. But guess what? Jungle is no rate Jockstrap sniffer. You hear that? Yeah. So nobody feel like say you have done nothing. All you do, you come on the internet and go on and strike the people them channel and a flag video. Use a Jockstrap sniffer Vegas. You see what I say? Yeah. Cause go and rub out your career. You look a lashy mouth career where you have. And you run. And I talk about blood clot killer, because you know killer don't ever see a bomber ass clot. So you have to chat about things to try chew it off. Yo, let me tell you something, boy. Cargo want your blood clot career, you hear that? Idol becomes rival. The man want your blood clot career, boy. Because you must think the man gun them left up a blood clot season. But true, you don't want cargo. If you talk about all of the body chemist business where you mix up, you know, and you know cargo mouth now put on a blood clot gun. You know want no part of that. Vegas, you ain't nothing more than a Jockstrap sniffer. You and the whole of the vendetta fanboy them. All you know do, sniff coke and sniff and Jockstrap. And the general, you know, the 10-star one I represent. Watch. Hear me, man. Gaza, you know, there ain't no other fucking way. 10-star. General. Oh.